Today we will be looking at a desk fan from Bingu. It's a USB mini cooling table fan. It's a handheld fan with rechargeable power bank and detachable charging base for office, outdoor, household, and personal use. It has 5 speeds. And it ships from Amazon, so you know it's packed well. First off, I'm going to be pulling out the charging stand and the power bank. The power bank installs only one way. You can either charge the power bank with the charger base, or you can charge it by the cord itself. Next, I'm going to be pulling out the fan head, and it has a swivel USB base to it, so when you push it in, you can lock it in place. Now I'm going to go through the 5 speeds, and I tell you what, this thing sure packs a punch. It blows air clear across the room, and you can feel it nicely. Next, I will be pulling out a charger cable. You attach this to a USB port or a USB ported plug, and that's what you use to charge your fan with. You can plug it into the power bank itself or to the base. Things that I really enjoy about this is that it has a very strong airflow. It's detachable fan with the power bank, so you can either use it with the fan or you can use it as a power bank as itself. It also has an extra charging base, and it's easy to carry. So if you like this product, give me a thumbs up, or if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And if there's any questions that I haven't covered about this product, you can leave it in the comments section. If you haven't subscribed already, I highly recommend you subscribing, and so you don't miss anything like this ever again. And until next time, I'll see y'all later.